Hey everybody, this is Crystal with Crystal's Diversity Creations, and I just wanted to take a moment to share with you my latest purchase, which is the, wait for it, the Cricut mug press. So I'm gonna go ahead and open it up so you all can see what comes in it. And it's really crazy because I didn't think that they had any available anywhere. And I went online to my little local Michael's, and it said that they had one there. And when I got there, they were like, they didn't have any more. And I said, but your website said you did. And they had one in the classroom. So they went in the classroom and they gave me that one. So I was very excited about that. The reason why I was excited and switched up wanting one when I initially didn't want one is because I found out that you can do other things in it. I thought it was just solely a mug press, and then I saw people doing tumblers and some of the other things, so I will make sure that I do a video on some of the other stuff so that you can see that as well. But for right now, I just want to show you the unboxing. And I also got a Saturday of mugs, but I do have sublimation mugs already, but I just bought a set just to see if it was any difference between their brand and when you're just using an off-market brand. So I figured I would get the original one. So let's see. I'm gonna bring it down a little bit. So, oops. Sealed on the sides too. Okay, so basically this is what it looks like on the inside, and then there's a little instruction book or something here. So we'll just go ahead and grab this out. And there's a cord in here as well. Cord and a charger for the computer, I guess. So this is what we got. The press, a little charger, the cord, and this package here. And then as far as the mugs, see what how they come. So these are the 12 ounces. And it's just the mugs. I know with the ones that I get, they actually come individually boxed, which I really like because that makes good for shipping them, or just even gifting them to somebody and selling them. It just is better if they're individually boxed. So these aren't. These are actually just individual mugs, and they were 2 for $6.99 at Michael's, and then Joann's had them on sale 2 for $3.49. So and I just wanted to show you this. This actually first tells you that you need to activate your Cricut press, and then here are just an overview of the machine, and then some little instructions. Okay, and then if you want more information, they have that on the back as well. All right. Hey, I'm back. I'm gonna do my first mug with the mug press, and this is the first image that I'm going to do. And basically I went over to Cricut, and I was able to mirror what they had. So this is how it shows up in Cricut, but I just prefer Silhouette. So I'm using Silhouette Studio, and these are the actual measurements for each one, the 12 or the 15 ounce. I actually have the 12 ounce, so I did it based on these measurements here. And so now I'm gonna actually show you how I'm putting it in there, and we'll get one pressed. So again, this is the Cricut 12 ounce that I'm using. So I have the mug. I have some alcohol to wipe the mug down to make sure that there's no debris on it. I actually have the image, and I have a paper to go outside the image. I have heat press, or yeah, heat tape, some scissors. I have a Cricut mat for when it comes out of the press and it's hot, and also a glove. And if I need to, I have some painter's tape to just go ahead and kind of adhere the design down a little bit better. But we'll see if we have to use that or not. So what we're going to do right now is just get a paper towel. The press is already getting hot, as you can see right there. The green light is on. You press it, and I don't think it took like even a minute for it to get hot, and it beeped to let me know that it was hot. So I'm just putting a little bit of alcohol on here and just kind of wiping it down. Take a dry one, go behind it so that you know that the cup is dry before you go and adhere your image to it. Okay. Then we're going to just take the image and wrap it around so it looks like such. That seems to be on there pretty securely. So we'll get the tape. Put it here. Kind of get it where it can wrap around a tad bit. Make sure that that's smooth all the way around and on the top, all the way around, close to the edge. Do the same thing down the bottom. You shouldn't be seeing like any gaps in here at all. So you just want to make sure that you're pressing to get that to lie flat. And I just like to go make sure that nothing comes out. This is my first time doing this, so we'll see. And so it appears to be covered. We'll go ahead and put this one so that if any ink comes out, it doesn't go on our new Cricut press. So this one doesn't have to be as secure because it's really just preventing the other one from moving and from spilling out any ink onto the press. Okay, and I probably did tape overkill, but I don't like my stuff to move nowhere. So now, let me see what we're going to do. I'll bring the press over this way. That'll be easier. So what we're going to do now is put the mug in, and it's supposed to go that way because that's where it's going to go around to. You want to make sure that once you get it situated, your lines are there. So there are dots on the top of this, and I don't know if you can see them. Let me see. So there are dots on top right there. And it's supposed to count down like they move as you're progressing through the stages. It knows when it's done. So we just leave it and we wait for it to finish up. So I'm gonna put it on a speed up so we'll know when it's done, but we won't have to wait through the whole process unless you guys want to. I'm gonna stop it because it's still only on the one dot, and then I'll actually set a timer so we know how long it's been. Okay. So it's been about 4 minutes and it's on the next to the last dot now.
And I believe that it beeps when it's actually done.
So I think it's kind of cool. Overall, just the fact that you can do other things in it, and basically that you're going to be able to do your sublimation tumblers and some of your other sublimation items. I saw them do looks like a Yeti tumbler, the regular skinny tumblers, and then of course you have more options if you're not doing the full color all the way around. Like if you were just putting like a word or something like that, then you only got to put the design to the back here, and then you're good to go. Of course, if you're doing the full coverage of with sublimation, then you kind of got to do the back, the front, the top, and the bottom like that. So as they say, it's 55 seconds for each side. So to be this side, spin it, that side, spin it, that side, and back, which is still okay because in my convection oven I do about 3.5 minutes front and 3.5 minutes back. So it just beeped, and it'll actually beep again just in case you weren't paying attention, so that you know that it's ready. So there we have it. So now what we'll do is go on and get it out of here. Let me make sure I got my little space ready for it. And put a glove on because I'm sure it's hot. You lift this up to release it and bring it on up. You see that smoke? Y'all see the smoke? And you can see that the image is through on it. So let's pull it over here. Let's see what we got. So I'm just taking off the tape right now. Always have some kind of heat gloves because anytime you're working with the mugs or with the tumblers, they get extremely hot. I mean, they need those temperatures in order to bake it. So obviously it's hot. Now this is without the paper on it. And no color went inside of the thing either. So this is the real deal. This is the truth teller. Let's see, let's see. And so actually that wound up taking about maybe 5 to 6, 5.5 to 6 minutes total to sub it. Okay, y'all ready? Let's see. See, is this hot? No, this ain't hot. So let me get this other piece up. I was going cheap, but since it's not hot, I can go ahead. All right, I'm coming. All right, here we go. So that's the front. And that's the back. So I think it came out nice. This is the front. And then this is the back. And it actually says, imagine the best version of yourself and show up every day as her. So, hope this helps. I do like it. I like it a lot. The colors are very vibrant. And again, I mean, the fact that you can do some other, but yes, very, very cute. Very cute. Like or subscribe. Thanks for watching.